Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Lemon Tree Hotels is our first stop for the coming week of swing trading. On the monthly chart, the level of 91 was a lifetime high for the stock. The stock price came closer to this level twice here, and also in the last week, there was an attempt made by buyers to break all-time high. But as you can see, they failed miserably. There was a lot of profit booking at all-time high. However, in the current week, look at the confidence and conviction of buyers. The candle almost closed at the high of the week, which means there were a lot of buyers in the stock who were buying and they kept on buying throughout the week. Now, the most important thing is the price action looks solid. The selling pressure is also negated. But what will be the target that we have to watch out for? I am assuming taking the range of this, I'll take the range of this, somewhere like this, 81, and the current market price, which is around 96. So we can add 15 rupees to the current market price. So the target that we are getting is around 110 rupees. Make sure if the stock price goes above 115, 116 rupees, you can place a GTT order, or I should say a sell GTT order at 109 rupees. What it will do is that it will not block, it will lock your profit. So even if there is a huge selling slash profit booking, you will be able to book the profit till 109. I'll be sharing all the important levels in my Telegram channel. Aurum PropTech Limited is our final stock for the coming week of swing trading. On the weekly chart, this is an uptrend followed by a series of rallies, and currently, after the formation of double bottom pattern at 75 rupees, the price recovered really fast and went on to almost match. Is it the lifetime high? Yes, the lifetime high of 160 rupees. And at the lifetime high or all-time high, not a lot of, I would say 30 to 40% of the buyers decided to book profit, and as a result, price almost receded 50% of this rally. At the level of 115 rupees, we can see there is a decent range bullish candle. So now what I'm thinking, this bullish candle at the support level of 115 rupees is going to act as a stimulus for the buyers. Say for example, I am a buyer watching the price action from the sideline. I look at all the factors such as double bottom pattern, 50% retracement, and I see this bullish candle. So what I'm looking for right here, price going and breaking the weekly high of 128 rupees. If that happens, especially if there is a daily close above 128 rupees, please With surge in volume activity, it is highly likely that buyers will make an attempt to break the lifetime high of 160 rupees.